G'day guys, the video for today is about me shooting for MEO weddings, and the thing is, just disregard whatever you hear. There's a lot of birds behind you, and yeah, not sponsored video, nothing, not a gear video, just me shooting, so enjoy. So first we had the tea ceremony, and after the tea ceremony we went over to location shoot. We went to Melbourne Uni for some photos, and there's Johnny. Yeah, that's what he does. Yep, Melbourne Uni. So, yeah, quite walked to the main hall for Melbourne Uni, and we did a photo shoot there. That's Bo. Yeah, run. Can we walk? Now here's Johnny getting annoyed at me filming him all the time. No, you're my boy. Did Fitzroy Town Hall, and I'm heading to Leonda right now. So, yeah, let's go. And we arrive at Leonda. Just yeah, we're doing the ceremony right now, the main ceremony, like wedding ceremony. Oh, that's the little tea ceremony. Whoops, got confused a bit. Yeah, this is Jack and this is Jay, suppliers. Jay's doing the DJing. And Jack does everything, but he's doing the MCing for tonight.
I've got names, so I'm going to do
yeah,
all together.
these guys were busy.
All work together? I believe so. That's the idea. Because that, I think it's easier. Otherwise, drawn out. What's the song?
It's one song. It's like a. Is that Chinese song? Yeah.
Dinner.
May you always find joy in each other, and may your bond.
Our bride and groom share with you their first dance.
As a color crib, we were running through the fields. You had flowers in your hand. We were all chasing phantoms. Baby, you would hold them still and I grab on. Yeah. Well, if you're scared of the dark, let the rundown street lights be your stars. And then picture swings in the park, and I'll swing with you. Sing it with me. Sing it with me. Living if you're already dead. It's not worth saying if it's already said. Even if it all goes over your head, believe it if you want to. So keep your eyes on the road and your head in the stars. Follow it down the rabbit hole. Just Sing it like ooh, if you want to. The next time I turn around, you'll have grown into a woman in a single bound. I hope I never take you for granted. Spending time with you is all that I wanted. But I'll go back to when you were small, burning all our favorite records on the CD-ROM. We were splitting headphones in a hammock to a soundtrack we could get lost in. Sing it with me, sing it with me, and we'll go howling at the moon. It's no use living if you're already there. It's not worth saying if it's already said. Even if it all goes over your head, believe it if you want to. So keep your eyes on the road and your head in the stars. Follow it down the rabbit hole just a little while longer. You can change anything if you want to. Sing it like ooh, if you want to. Sing it like ooh, if you want to.
See? Have a kiss!
I do it again. I didn't film it. Damn it! I was just saying. Whoa, kiss. Okay, one again. Yeah.
Right. Let's fight in the sun, guys. So that
Go to the light. No, just kidding. No, no, no. And then go closer, and then that's it. And go closer to each other. Go closer, closer, and closer. Just look at each other. Just smiling. Just talking. No kissing. Good. Good man.
Another gather, guys. Another kiss for you. And Cindy, if I can help you to spread out a little bit. What? Kevin is like there, like that. Facing out there. Cindy facing this side, thank you. And look back to the husband.
Husband, how does it sound?
Kevin can lift her up like doing the first dance. Lift up and spinning. Don't fall, not yet. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Spinning, guys. And a kiss, 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 Cindy. Good one. Right. Cindy can do faster. Okay. Yes, so just gonna be slow, it's better.
Right.
Keep walking up this side.
And look at each other once in a while. Oh, John is there.